SugarCRM features, strengths, weaknesses. SugarCRM is a highly customizable and flexible customer relationship management (CRM) platform designed primarily for mid-sized to enterprise-level organizations. Its core features revolve around sales force automation, marketing automation, and customer service management. Under sales, you'll find lead management, opportunity tracking, forecasting, quoting, and contract management modules, facilitating a streamlined sales process. Marketing automation includes campaign management, email marketing, and lead nurturing capabilities, enabling targeted communication and improved lead conversion rates. For customer service, SugarCRM offers case management, knowledge base integration, self-service portals, and service-level agreement (SLA) management, empowering efficient support operations. A key strength lies in its open-source architecture, which allows for extensive customization and integration with other business systems. SugarCRM also offers various deployment options: on-premise, cloud-based, Sugar Cloud, and private cloud, providing flexibility based on organizational needs and IT infrastructure. It also boasts a robust API, enabling seamless connectivity with ERP, accounting, and other critical business applications. The platform's strengths shine in scenarios requiring complex workflows, tailored data models, and integrations that other off-the-shelf CRMs can't easily accommodate. Now, let's address the weaknesses. Compared to simpler, SaaS-based CRMs, SugarCRM has a steeper learning curve and requires more technical expertise to implement and maintain, especially for on-premise deployments. The total cost of ownership can be higher due to the need for in-house or external developers for customization and maintenance, which often involves more than just click endpoint admin. While SugarCRM offers a powerful feature set, some users find the user interface less intuitive compared to competitors, focusing on user experience as a primary differentiator. Smaller businesses with limited IT resources and simple CRM requirements might find SugarCRM to be overkill. Also, some native reporting functions may require additional configuration or third-party tools to deliver comprehensive insights. In conclusion, SugarCRM is a powerful and adaptable CRM solution for businesses that prioritize customization, integration, and control over their CRM environment. However, its complexity and higher implementation costs mean it's best suited for organizations with the resources and technical capabilities to fully leverage its potential. Consider it if you need a highly bespoke CRM solution, but carefully weigh the implementation and ongoing management overhead. If you need something simpler and easier to manage, there are likely better options on the market.